Rahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Here is biochemist Himmat Ali Memon and you are watching ASIS Biochemist Coaching Center. In this class we will discuss about the hydrolysis. In previous classes we have studied about the condensation and whole process of condensation. In this class we will discuss about the hydrolysis. If you are new on my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and press on the bell icon for new updates. Let's start. Hydrolysis. Hydro means water and lysis means breakdown. It means breakdown of the water. A process during which polymers are break down into their subunits or monomers by the addition of water molecule is called hydrolysis. Or it is a process in which large or complex molecules break down into their subunits or simpler one in the presence of water molecules is called hydrolysis. All food digestion reactions are the examples of the hydrolysis. This is the example of protein. Here protein is a large or complex molecule. It will convert its subunits or monomers, which are the actual unit of the protein, that they are amino acids, by the help of hydrolysis. Here two monomers are joined together by the help of a bond or force. When you want to break this force, at that time you break first of all water molecule into the OH ion and H ion. After that H ion will add this monomer and OH ion add with this monomer. Then what will happen at that time, these both monomers are separate from each other, and this is called hydrolysis. Carbohydrate. Here is an example of sucrose. When we will add water molecules with the help of enzyme at this side, and here is a glycosidic linkage. When we add this water molecule at the glycosidic linkage, then this glycosidic linkage is breakdown and this sucrose will convert into their subunits, which are the glucose and fructose. Glucose and fructose are the actual units of sucrose. Second example of the protein, that is dipeptides. When we add the water molecule with this dipeptide, at that time it will break down into the two amino acids, because this dipeptide is made up of the two amino acids, which are the actual unit. Third example is a lipid molecule. Here is a triglyceride. When we add three molecules, water molecules, with the help of enzyme, at that time it will convert one glycerol molecule and three fatty acids molecule, which are the actual unit of the triglyceride. Last example of nucleic acid. Here two nucleotides are joined together by the help of phosphodiester bond. When this phosphodiester bond will break down, it gives two nucleotide. First one is and second one is this. And some enzymes which are used in the hydrolysis, they are carbohydrases, proteases, lipases, nucleases. These enzymes are collectively called hydrolytic enzymes. Carbohydrates enzymes are used for the digestion or hydrolysis of carbohydrate. Proteases enzymes will break down the protein. These lipases enzymes convert the lipid molecule to its original or actual units. Nucleases enzymes break down the nucleic acids. Thank you dear students. This was about the hydrolysis.